welcome back to another I Care for Your Brain with board-certified neuropsychologist, Dr. Karen Sullivan. I have not been here for a while. Things have been busy, and I have been having all sorts of insights and revelations about the future of dementia care. And one of the things that has crossed my desk is this idea of artificial intelligence, and can it replace human care in dementia? These technological advances raises a lot of concerns for me about the future of caregiving. We have models that are saying they can engage in therapeutic communication with people with dementia. They can predict their needs. They can reduce fall risks. They can reduce loneliness. They can offer reminders about medication. And there are parts of that that I really like. But what we have to remember is that caring for people with brain change is not just about completing tasks. It is about human attunement. Presence is not programmable, and connection cannot be automated. So I think we have to be clear that there are limits of AI in dementia care. I do think it can assist, but it cannot replace the emotional, relational, and spiritual aspects of caregiving. It lacks emotional intuition, embodied empathy, and ethical nuance. These are not just abstract terms. These are the cornerstones of ethical care. It is difficult to attune AI to something like unspoken human needs. Yes, you can figure out how to read body language, but there is a level of emotional attunement when two human beings are connected and present together. There's information that can be gleaned there that I do not believe can be accurately gleaned from a machine. It is impossible for AI to get into a co-regulation relationship with another being. Some people may say it can happen, but I personally do not believe that it can provide the witness to the experience of dementia that people deserve. So what is at risk when we automate presence? Well, it can become over-relied upon. We live in a time in healthcare where efficiency is everything. The more people that can be seen, the more billing that can happen, the better. Those are the people who are in charge, make decisions based on margin for the most part. That is part of why we need to continue to make sure nonprofit medicine and healthcare systems are able to survive in the current culture. The concern is that we can dehumanize care, diminish the connection of the human to human support. It really is innovation that kind of gets disguised as attunement or care. And I think the truth is it unfortunately is not. It really erodes the responsibility on us as a community to connect with the most vulnerable, this idea that we can have technology provide a substitute. So I think the future of dementia care must be high touch, high human touch. I do think AI has a role in terms of freeing care providers up with more menial biological tasks to provide for more of the high-level psychological and spiritual needs. So yes, AI is pretty darn good at making sure we can reduce falls, pretty good at tracking medication administration, and it can streamline some of those basic bodily care aspects, but it can never replace being with someone. The most healing moments in dementia care come from human presence and cannot be programmed. The deepest human needs are met in presence, not in perfection. So in summary, I think it is a tool, but it just cannot ever be seen as the heart of care. Touch, witnessing, these things are the most important thing in dementia care. I would love to know what your thoughts are on this. So please drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Take care. Bye.